Hey, it's your girl Jay with the I and not with the Y. Back with back with another video, and it's Cinco de Mayo. Oh my god.
Cinco de Mayo, and I
got my margarita.
And my drink. It's like a berry drink or something.
Cranberry. And then we got our little platter we made. Nachos. Elite, I forgot what it's called. Then we got some tacos. Oh, and then I got a Jello shot. I ate one of them. I had 3, girl. But yeah, y'all know it's Cinco de Mayo, and usually they have like a festival and stuff. We can't even celebrate this year because we are in quarantine. Oh, this is bomb.
I can't make them because I don't have to.
My sister make these margaritas, and they are so good. Well, this one, the margarita, the last one I got was like a slush punch something, but and she make the Jello shots too. But yeah, we about to dig in. This is how we celebrating our. Good.
Okay, kind of tastes sweet.
Look. This is how we celebrating our Cinco de Mayo with a mukbang. Well, I told everybody on Facebook I was gonna do a taco challenge, but as y'all know, something always happens when I'm trying to set up. I'm like, that's my phone. I'm like, Jesus Christ, like, there's always something. The taco shells burnt up. The hard taco shells burnt up. Couldn't use that. The hard taco shells burnt up, so I ended up having to. I didn't want to go back to the store, so I ended up resorting back to the soft tacos.
But they were still good.
Yep. And so, in my nachos, I like the Cool Ranch Doritos in my nachos. So, I got the Cool Ranch Doritos. I have pickled jalapenos. I have ground turkey.
I'm really about to get my thing.
I have I have onions, avocado, tomato, cilantro, lettuce, olives, and yeah, that's it. And I got some limes.
This is hard to open.
Is it?
Can you help me?
Oh.
I didn't even notice that it was this day today. I was like,
Cinco de Mayo. Remember we went to Carnival last year?
I
was pregnant with my son.
Oh yeah, I like that day.
And I was complaining about walking.
That was annoying though.
So, I was supposed to buy this platter. This taco platter. I was going to do 10 of those tacos. Plus the ones I make. But the place has sold out. So I had the
Cinco de Mayo. Cause Corona.
They sold out, so I ended up making my own tacos. Well, I was already gonna make my own tacos, but
I think I'm gonna go back with that.
I made all of them, cause
Tacos. Cause the tacos are my favorite.
But let me try this corn.
Good. Use this spray.
It is sweet. This is fire.
Oh God.
I know in Elope, people, well, the people who know how to make it, I guess they use like mayo, and then do the Mexican cheese, and then the other stuff or whatever. But I don't like mayo on mine.
Juice is like spraying in the camera.
Okay. Anytime I go to the carnival, I ask them to give it to me without the mayo.
But they still give it to you.
They give me like you.
I want to get the taco again.
Taco?
Because it's my most favorite. The
Most favorite?
Were cool.
Did you eat a nacho? Because it was bomb. The chicken is chicken tacos. It's chicken and tacos, ground turkey, and the nachos.
My most favorite taco is like the shell, because it gives a kind of good taste to it.
That's how you eat a corn. Yeah, top me. Top me. Top me. Top me. Let me see how you can do, because you ain't got no teeth right here, but buck. Let me see. Let me see. Look at that. She eating it with her teeth. Cold. Ooh, these gel shots are strong. You get one? You should.
Mommy's saying, ooh, these are good. It tastes like regular Jello.
With grown people drinking it.
How come you can't see our drink? How come you can't see the drink?
Because it's made in the Jello. You know when y'all eat corn, you got stuck in your teeth?
Ow. I can't really eat my corn because I will keep biting on the hard part. And I have a teeth that's wiggling.
For real? Let me see, which one?
Yeah.
She got a tooth that's coming out. She can't really bite on the corn. That's her excuse for not beating me.
And I have a tooth coming in.
You gotta eat your corn like this.
Even I have a tooth coming in.
Should we shave cocoa corn or should we just eat it?
Eat it.
It's hard to get out.
Go get a spoon.
Tastes like it's tequila in there. Woo! I do not like tequila. I am not a tequila drinker. I like dark. So, tell everybody how you feel about doing school from home.
Angry.
Why?
Cause cause each day I have to do it every day. Which that's fine for me.
Right.
But she gives us too much when we caught up. Like when me and my mom caught up on my homework. So the next day, and then the next day I had to do my homework. There was like, how much science did I have to do? 47. Like,
we came back from the weekend. She did all her homework on Friday. Came back from the weekend. And it was 47 new assignments on Monday morning.
Exactly. And I'm like, why did she give us so much?
It was so irritating.
I mean, it's not that serious.
And it's like every day.
But we get it. We have to learn.
Then they have to have 2 meetings each day. Well, okay, so every day they have their personal meeting. And then every other day they have a sec. So they have 2 meetings on Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Fridays. No, Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, yeah. So they have 2 meetings on those days. I'm just like, people got other stuff going on. It's just ridiculous.
Actually, she asked me and I said yes.
So she asked you to do it?
She asked me and I said yes.
That's why I ain't doing there with you. I ain't doing there with you. This is so good. You wish you could get some, huh?
What?
You wish you could try, huh?
No. That looks like
You move this out the way so they can see the tacos. I think y'all seen the tacos. I'm getting full. I get full quick.
Me too.
Look at all this inside my taco.
You put kind of too much.
You can never have too much in a taco. Ever, right? She's still eating her corn, y'all.
Cause I like corn.
But you ain't nowhere near. You ain't nowhere near the top of me. Corn is like one of my most favorite. You consider that a vegetable or a fruit, huh? Corn is a vegetable, huh?
I know. My most favorite fruit is grapes, watermelon, and peach and mango.
That's like almost every one. Oh, okay.
Cause tomatoes are fruit too.
Yeah, they taught you that in school. How'd you know? Did I tell you that? I'm glad you know that. Yep, tomatoes are definitely a fruit.
But some people say they're a vegetable.
Well, you know, when you go to the grocery store, they actually got it under fruit. Under vegetable. They don't have tomato under fruit. Well, I know at Fred Meyer's they don't. Like, we see how we just bought the tomato at the store just a minute ago? And when we bought it, I had to look under vegetables.
Cause fruit, so like the tomatoes a fruit and a vegetable?
I think it's under both categories. I've never actually looked at the store to see if it was under fruit. I just go straight to vegetable. I'm gonna look one day. Like, did you know mangoes are under tropical fruit? It's under tropical fruits, yeah. Or something like that. It's under
Look at my corn.
It says something when you look it up.
It looks just like my mama's. Look at my corn. Look at her.
Whose corn y'all think is cleaned more?
Mine.
I think it's mine. I can eat more of it.
Me too.
I won't. We gotta try to eat more of this food. Oh my god.
I know, cause we're getting so full. Look how I'm looking. I'm starting to look fat. Cause you know how much you eat. If you eat so much 1,000 at times, you're gonna get really fat and you're gonna blow up if you eat more.
Oh, okay.
Like if you get fat like a big ball.
Oh yeah. But I want you guys to put down in the comments below. Oh yeah, I do this when my hair itches. I don't know if anybody else do that, but yeah. I want you guys to put in the comments below.
Look at this hair on mine.
Is it? That's your hair. No. I want y'all to put in the comments below what y'all doing for this good Cinco de Mayo. What's that mean? What? Thumbs up if you are eating tacos and nachos or burritos. Thumbs down if you are not doing anything, just being boring. And
I know everybody doing something.
I know. So some of the places I called today was sold out of tacos and stuff, and I was like, what? Sold out? That's crazy. I was like, that's just so weird. I mean, well, I guess it's not weird. Cinco de Mayo, nobody can really go nowhere. But you would think everybody would make their own food instead of go buying it. So
yeah.
I tried to cheat. And go buy something, and it just didn't work out. Which is good because I don't need to eat that stuff or spend money on it. But yeah.
Make sure you like and comment. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Let's do a thumbnail. Hold on.
Yeah. Okay. I'm about to eat this very last corn.
Did you? Unless you're gonna save Coco some. Ooh, you ain't right.
Ooh, you wrong.
Ooh, you ain't right.
Ooh, you wrong.
How you know your sister don't want that? Don't do that.
Cause she hate corn.
You see how kids go. Let me tell y'all about quarantine. It been having them act the fool. They've been fighting so much. And it's so irritating. But yeah, if y'all ever in Oregon, Portland, Oregon, make sure y'all check out Nini's Daiquiris on Instagram. Any and then Daiquiris. It's on Instagram. Look it up. Make sure you guys check her out. Her daiquiris is da bomb. Her margaritas, her gel shots, everything is just so good. Like, it gives you that good buzz. It gives you them perfect, like if you was at the club, them perfect 3 shots that you need, and you good on the floor all night dancing type. You know. Make sure y'all check my sister out. Yeah, because this is her little company. And then what?
Like, share, and subscribe to this video.
To this channel. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and check us out. You know, my son is getting happy in the background. But everybody, do you know what Cinco de Mayo means?
No.
Did your school didn't teach you?
No.
It means the 5th of May. Oh my gosh, she's so funny. But anyways, you know what to do. Make sure you give my video a thumbs up. Hit the post notification bell so you know that you're notified every time I post a video. And make sure you subscribe if you have not. And like it and comment. As always, peace.